Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how to make a 2 kilo butter cake with Astra. First of all, let's see the ingredients. 500 grams of Astra, 500 grams of sugar, 500 grams of eggs, 500 grams of cake flour and 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 4 teaspoons of vanilla essence. So let's begin. First, add all the butter into a bowl and beat it for about 1 minute. Then add sugar into it and beat it for about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, beat your batter while adding the eggs in 3 portions to the batter. Make sure that you all should beat the batter until the sugar dissolves only. As my container is not enough, I'll move my batter into another container and beat again. Next, mix your batter while adding the flour containing the baking powder time to time. I don't recommend to beat the batter at this stage because the cake batter might get too liquidized. And also make sure to preheat your oven at this time at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Next, add the vanilla essence and mix it well. So my cake batter is ready now. Now pour your cake batter into the 2 kg cake tray. Do like this so it will spread equally throughout the tray. Now put the tray in the oven and let it bake for 35 to 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Thank you everyone for watching. Stay with me for more recipes. Till then, goodbye.